What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are down at our main shop. I've had a bit of a hectic morning. I started in Orange County and I'm actually about to hop in my truck and head back up there. But Rodrigo is working on this Peterbilt here. He have this salt spreader in the bed. The only issue we have left with it is it's not strapped in at all. So we have to weld some new D-rings. He has our welder lifted up. Unfortunately, we only have a 10-foot hose for that, so we need to get a longer hose. That way we can keep it on the ground rather than having to lift it every time we want to use it. But we also have this tailgate latch that we need to weld this angle iron. Obviously this is not sitting level right now. We got to get it in here level, and then this stainless angle iron, actually that's not even the right size. We have 4x4 sitting on the ground over there. We're gonna weld a piece on right here alongside this, drill 2 holes and bolt the spreader in here as well. So it'll be bolted just like that through there, welded down to this latch bar here, and then that'll get locked in there. And then obviously we're gonna lock it in with the D-rings up on the top there. I don't think he welded anything at all. So this D-ring is too far away, so he might have welded one over there. I don't know, let me take a look. Oh, okay, so he started to tack it there, you can see. So that's where we're strapping it like that. We got these metal like binder type of things, and we're strapping it in like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side as well, and then we need to get the back locked in. So this is going to work out very nice, and hopefully by the end of today this truck is out of here. The only thing that we don't have working properly on this truck is the speed for the spreader, or for the spinner. The auger is controlled by speed, but on the back of this valve up here you can adjust it. So we'll have to take it out the first storm, test it, and then adjust it a little bit. The controller is just not working properly for the speed. But anyway, I got to run up to our Orange County yard, grab the pressure washer, and get it back down here. The guys were cleaning trucks up there, so I'll show you them when we're up there. But we want to get them down here to clean trucks down here as well. It is like 40 degrees out today, so perfect day to do it. All right, I just got the pressure washer connected to my truck. I almost pulled out of here without recording anything here, but we got to drag this thing down to our main shop. We got this GMC clean. Rodrigo was actually here over the weekend, and he installed a speed sensor cable for the salt spreader on this. Before it was just on or off. You may notice the liquid tank is out of here as well. We have that down at our main shop now. He dropped a couple plows off here and grabbed that on the new TerraStar, but I got that truck clean. We got this blue International in here clean. We got this red one clean right here, and the F600 right here is clean as well. So hopefully we don't have any snow anytime soon and get these things dirty again. But our salt loader in there, that got washed as well. Let's hop in my truck, head on down to our main shop. All right, I got the pressure washer dropped off here. The guys are on their way down. They were just eating lunch real quick before they came down here, but I gotta hop in my truck. We got some running around to do. First thing I need to do is get a car wash. Well, actually, I lied. That's not the first thing. Come on. That's not the first thing I need to do. I need to stop at a bank real quick and get a bank check. We are buying a new piece of equipment, and we're having this local tow company go down and grab it for us. It's only about a half hour away from here, but it is a fairly heavy piece of equipment. I think they're going tomorrow to grab it. So you're not going to see that in tomorrow's video. You're going to see it in 2 videos from now. I'll show you what it is. It's a very nice piece of equipment. But actually, you know what? Before we go to the bank, I'll actually drive down here and I'll show you the liquid tank on the TerraStar here. It's not complete, but it looks very nice on here. And that is the project for Rodrigo tomorrow. He's gonna button up the Peterbilt. Hopefully by the time we get back here, the Peterbilt is done and ready to get out of here. But liquid tank looks very nice on here. He has it pretty much centered right on the axle here. That way the weight is balanced. We do need to figure out the best way to tie it down. These straps were just temporary for transporting it here. There are D-rings welded on here, but there's really nothing up high. I wonder if that does not sound strong enough. It's pretty rusted in there too, so we don't really want to tie it down from there. We got to figure out the best way to get it. We obviously don't want to drill holes in the bed here, but this thing should get buttoned up tomorrow. It just really needs the electric ran into the cab and it'll be good to go. But hopefully the Peterbilt is out of there today. Rodrigo does have a couple hoses he needs to make on one of our Chevys. Actually, I'll show you that too real quick. Let's just back up a little bit. It's right over here. So one of the power angle hoses on this truck is like all rotted and ready to go. It's basically a ticking time bomb here. See, that hose is in very rough shape, so he's going to replace that one. I think he's going to replace this one as well. This one's in a bit of nicer shape, still not the best. You can see over here it's starting to crack. So those two hoses are getting replaced today. So Peterbilt first, he is welding those D-rings on, then he just has to move to the back and get the angle iron welded, and that thing is ready to get out of there. Hoses next. If he finishes all that, he'll pull the Red International with the liquid tank in and start working on that. I'm gonna head to the bank, grab a check. I gotta drop it off to the tow company. Then we're gonna hit the car wash, and then we also have to stop at the condominium complex that we plow. They called us and said there's like a plow marker in one of the fire hydrants there, so I gotta take a look at that, and hopefully it's not like damaged or anything. But anyway, let's do this running around. We'll get over there and take care of all of that. Oh man, there is a line here. Rockland Car Wash. This is, in my opinion, the nicest car wash around here. They do interior and exterior. It's a bit expensive. The one that I'm gonna get, I think, is like 28 bucks, but the whole inside of your car gets wiped down and vacuumed out. They pull the floor mats out, spray them and whatnot, clean all the windows inside and out, and then obviously the exterior car wash it all. So pretty nice car wash. This truck should come out of here looking like a brand new truck. All right, I'm pulling out of Rockland Auto Repair. These are the guys that are running tomorrow to grab that new piece of equipment for us. We have done quite a bit of work with these guys. My dad is actually buddies with the owner, and we use them all the time for moving stuff for us. It's pretty funny. They have a flatbed, which they're gonna pick that up on. I don't think we've ever put a car on their flatbed. We've only put like push boxes, plows, all sorts of stuff, and they're always willing to help us no matter what. Oh, this must be what they're talking about. Hey, Dad.
What's up, Brent?
Nothing. I'm in New City looking at this fire hydrant right now.
Oh, where they bent that snow marker?
Yeah. What am I doing with this?
Just bend it back up straight.
Well, it's snapped off.
Oh, are you kidding me? All right, so that's a piece of rebar we make.
Well, no, it's an actual plow marker.
Yeah, we welded it on there, right, on the top of it.
1
All
second.
right, so we'll have to get another one. We'll have to get another one.
Yeah. Here, actually, I just got to get out of this guy's way, and then I'll go take a picture of it and send it to you.
Are you going to James's?
I just dropped that off. That's why I came by here.
Do you have the number? Do you have the number for that guy?
I gave him everything.
All right, so he was asking me who the check was made out to, and I didn't call him back yet.
It was made out to
I gotta call him.
that three-letter word, whatever you sent me.
Yeah, FLM, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let me call him right now.
All right, I'll send you some pictures of this.
All right, good deal. Okay, right back.
So, definitely a plow marker on the fire hydrant, and it's all rusted. So, no wonder it's snapped off right there. Let me go grab some pictures. I'll send it to my dad and see what he wants to do about this. All right, so this is where the plow marker is bolted on. You can see it's all rusted and definitely snapped off, but I can't imagine we hit that. We would have to be over the curb like 4 feet to hit that. So I don't really know what the requirement is as far as like repairing stuff like that based off the contract, and how do you prove that we hit that? Anyway, here's my truck, super clean. The whole outside is basically like brand new. Lovely. The inside is super clean as well. Let's head on back to our shop. I'm gonna send these pictures to my dad. Take this plow marker with me, I guess. I don't really know what to do with it.
Go ahead, Brian.
You see those pictures?
Not yet. Hold on.
Yeah, look at them. There's no way we hit it either. It's like completely rusted, and it's like 4 feet. Yeah, if you want, we're on video right now.
Oh, you're on video? Well, we were just in a bar in the pool in the middle of the water.
Yeah, okay,
Called Noah's Ark, and there was a shark. There was a shark in Noah's Ark. At Noah's Ark.
Are you in a pool or
in the ocean? With a like roped off kind of, but there was like a floating trampolines and swings, and it was so cool.
Did you go on the trampoline?
Dad did. I didn't.
Oh my god.
I went on the swing.
So the shark was like right by you?
The shark, yeah, but luckily we were on the boat to go. We were like on the dock, getting on the boat to go home, and there comes it was a nurse shark right next to us. I'm like, thank God I didn't see it on the way there.
So it
was a nurse shark.
So it swims around right by where you were sitting in the water?
Oh yeah, it would have came right by us in the water. It was scared the shit out of me.
Hey, watch your language.
Thank God I didn't see it then.
Watch your language.
Oh, you're on a video. Sorry.
You're gonna be on a video.
It's so nice here. Turks and Caicos is beautiful.
Yeah, okay, let's get back to work. Some of us are freezing their ass off here.
I love you, babe.
Love you too.
Yeah, those are the tall, like those plastic ones, Brand, that we bent.
Yeah,
Rodrigo bent them.
There's no way we hit it though.
No, the kids break them.
How are we responsible?
Because in the contract, I told Joanne we would take care of the snow markers.
So when they
contract.
break, we have to replace them?
Yep.
Okay, well,
they've lasted a long time.
A lot of the fire hydrants don't have them on them.
Do they have the bracket on them?
I don't know. I'm pulled out already.
Okay. I will talk to Rodrigo about how we did it.
Well,
and that's those poly ones.
Yeah. So you want me to buy like 10 of them and just send them there, and then he can bend them there and whatever he needs?
Well, when he gets back in town. Yeah, I'm not worried about it right now. Yeah. And when you get back to the shop, ask Rodrigo. He might have some in the back corner of the shop already that we had extra. And then let me know, okay?
All right, bye. So my parents are in Turks and Caicos right now on a they're ridiculous. They're on a pickleball trip. So they went to Turks and Caicos to play pickleball basically. Obviously they're doing some tourist vacation stuff as well, but the main reason they went there is for pickleball. Anyway, let me get over to my shop. Obviously, got to talk to Rodrigo about these plow markers and whatnot, and then we also have to get out of there. I got to load all the stuff back in my truck. I took everything out so I could get it cleaned at the car wash, and then we got to scoot upstate to the welder. He has my trailer. I got to grab that from him because tomorrow, taking a trip to Pennsylvania to pick up some more snowplows. So anyway, I'll see you when we're back at our shop. All right, guys, I'm back down at our shop, and Rodrigo got both of those D-rings welded, and you can see they're welded on an angle down to these loops right here. So he doesn't have the binder pieces on, but the welding is done and he has it slid all the way up to the tunnel. So one thing off the checklist, he's working on the angle iron right now, and being that he slid this all the way forward, he didn't have to use the 4x4, he can use the 3x3. And you can see this one, he drilled the holes in already, he just needs to weld it. All right, we got the trailer all connected and good to go. This is the taillight that got ripped off. So you can tell back on. Lights are working. I wanted to show you guys the moon. The moon is through the trees there. It is a full moon tonight and it is absolutely beaming. Super cool moon. But that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.